Originally, Muhoroni was a hybrid operation, private investors, foreign technical partners, and government ownership. But over time, the Kenyan government kept increasing its stake. By the 1970s and the 1980s, the government had become the dominant owner. Finally, in 1992, the government took full control of the company. East Africa Sugar Industries Limited, it was officially renamed Muhoroni Sugar Company Limited. From that moment, it became a fully state-owned enterprise. This was meant to ensure that the benefits of the sugar industry remained within Kenya. But state ownership comes with a new set of challenges. There is political influence, there is weak management systems, and there is increasing financial pressure. By the 2000s, one problem had become very obvious. The factory machinery was old. Very old. Some of the equipment installed in the 1960s, imagine it was still being used decades later. By 2018, reports showed that the factory was operating with technology that was more than 54 years old. Imagine trying to run a modern industrial operation with machines older than many of the workers. Imagine. Breakdowns became frequent, maintenance costs increased, and production efficiency dropped. Meanwhile, new private sugar companies, they were entering the market. Companies like West Kenya Sugar and Butali Sugar, they were using modern equipment and running much more efficiently. Muhoroni was struggling to compete. Eventually, the financial problems became impossible to ignore. In 2001, Muhoroni Sugar Company was placed under receivership. Receivership basically means that the company is taken over by creditors so that its assets can be protected while debts are managed. The main creditor involved in this process was Kenya Commercial Bank, KCB. The goal was to restructure the company and possibly prepare it for privatization. But what was supposed to be a temporary situation, it turned into something much longer. By 2018, Muhoroni had been in receivership for 17 years. Imagine, 17 years. During that time, the factory continued operating, but its financial health, it kept deteriorating. Government bailouts became routine, and then the audit started revealing something much worse. In October 2019, the Agriculture and Food Authority ordered a forensic audit of the company. The investigation was later detailed by Auditor General Nancy Gathungu. What they found was shocking. Between 2013 and 2017, sales had been understated by about 1.7 billion shillings. That means the sugar was being sold, but the revenue was not fully recorded. In 2015 alone, about 660 million shillings in sales proceeds, they were never banked. Money simply disappeared from the system. Another major issue involved a loan of 448 million shillings. This had been provided for factory repairs. Only 217 million shillings of that money could be properly accounted for.